Hey guys, how are you all? In this video, I'm going to show you that how can you create a new Temu account on your mobile phone by which you can just earn money and also you can order everything, anything to your doorstep. And in Temu, you get many types of offers, many type of coupons here. So I will just show you that how can you do that thing in your mobile phone. I don't have Temu application right now in my phone, so I will go on the Google Chrome here and go on the Temu website on my mobile phone here like this. Let me open Temu here, and just like this I will open Temu here. Click on the Temu website. The first website is called Temu. You just have to click on it. You can see my account is logged in right now, but you have a new account, so how can you log into that and how can you register to your Temu account here? Click on this. Let me just first get log out of my account, then I will show you that how can you create a new account here. So I will just simply sign in out from here, and then you can click on, so this is my main menu here. I will click on the continue with Google option, and you just have to switch one of your mail which you want. Like this is my mail, travel buddy, I want this email in my Temu account, so I will click on that. And you just don't have to do anything. Temu will automatically log in into your account with that name on your Gmail account and that same Gmail option here. You can change your country by clicking on your account option here, and here's a lot of option for you. This is the video. Thank you so much for watching it. Please subscribe the channel, and thank you so much for watching it.